Born in northeastern Syria in the city of Qamishli, Boran Zaza, a young Kurdish musician, spent her life moving from one country to another in order to pursue and establish her musical career in choir and playing classical piano. After spending days in New York City rehearsing, Boran joined her OPCM choir for their performance at the prestigious Carnegie Hall in New York City for Distinguished Concerts International, New York.
This whole experience for me so far has been just once-in-a-lifetime kind of experience. I mean, coming from Kurdistan region of Iraq, Carnegie Hall is the kind of place that we hear about and dream of, but it's all the way across the Atlantic. It's really far away. The US is a country that's, it's not that easy for us to access. So to be here tonight is like just not even a dream, I would say I didn't even dare to dream about that, but I'm here tonight and I'm really happy. The hall is absolutely gorgeous, the acoustics are amazing. I hope the viewers are going to get to see a little bit of some parts of the concert, so I'm really, really excited to go on stage tonight.
As we took a walk around the city of New York, Boran tells me that even though she's a pianist, however, she loves conducting choir, and she started singing in choir by surprise as she was studying her undergraduate degree in Lebanon.
The one thing with piano is that it can get quite lonely sometimes. You spend a lot of hours alone in the practice room. And I wanted to find another musical activity which would incorporate other people as well. So I started to sing in choirs. And again, just like what happened with piano, I just sunk into it. And yeah, all of a sudden I was singing in 5 choirs at the same time. I even started a choir in Lebanon.
In a region where classical music is neglected, Boran managed to self-teach herself with the help of her father, who was a music professor. She hopes for that to change in the future and help accomplishing it, so that musicians who do not have the opportunity to study abroad flourish in their own country.
I would really love to help make the music scene better in Kurdistan, especially the classical music scene, because that's where we suffer. I think that there should be a music program at schools, so every school needs to have music lessons for the students where they learn about music heritage. Not necessarily Western, but even Kurdish. We don't even know our own music very well. So it should start by that. I believe that all cultural activities should be supported and funded by the Ministry of Culture. Maybe starting to have some paid concerts. People are really not used to paying to go to a concert in Kurdistan, especially a classical music concert. But if we start the trend, by something that doesn't cost a lot, I think it's going to go a long way.
Today, Boran is studying piano at the Schulich School of Music at McGill University in Canada, in which she did not just find an opportunity to study, but also to form Duo Columbus.
So Duo Columbus is a musical project that I'm very, very passionate and excited about. And it's a piano duo of 4 hands, which I founded with the pianist Angela Chul. She's my partner in all my musical crimes. And in Duo Columbus, what we try to do is bring music from around the world to North America. So it's about having a musical adventure across the Atlantic.
Last year, Boran had the opportunity to share the stage with musicians like Hans Zimmer and Ramin Djawadi for Game of Thrones musical performance. This year, she and her musical partner Angela are scheduled to tour Quebec and hoping to expand Duo Columbus performances internationally by next year. Sama Dizay, VOA News, New York.